Welcome everybody to the cozy basement. We're gonna go over escape movement that you can practice basically by yourself, but having a partner there helps because you know where to put your feet and where you put your hands. So Colleen is in north-south on me and my arms are inside safe. I'm gonna find C cups, so her hip is gonna go right in between my thumb and my hand, right here. I'm gonna hip up to push her butt away and then drop my butt really low and straighten my arms out. Now I'm gonna try to replace my hands with my feet, specifically my right foot with my right hand. So I roll back, I try to get connection to her hip, and then push off so I can get away. So I have straight arms, I try to rock back, find something to push off of, and then just keep pushing so that I can get away. Okay, so a lot of the time on people that are good, I can't get a lot of space and I don't have enough room to put my foot into the hip. Even on a non-resisting opponent, sometimes it's hard for me to get all my foot. I can just get my toe in there to push. So sometimes all you need is your shin or your knee. So I get out, I get to straight arms, and now when I come up, I'm gonna just drive my knee into this space where my hand is directly making space, and drive my knee in. And now I kind of have her in a high guard situation where I can reach my hand up and go for an arm drag. So I'm here and I can just reach up and come up all the way to the back, basically just doing a back roll over her. So if she stays just like this and I'm underneath, I'm just doing a back roll onto her. So just doing back rolls, I guess, is the drill that you can do during quarantine. Just do a back roll. And now you're on someone's back and you're good.